Hi everyone, my name is Jerry and I'm one of the founders at Lofty. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys one of our new feature releases in recent times where you can now buy real estate and invest in real estate instantaneously as if you're trading stocks, and also be able to lend out your assets to earn additional yield. So here's how that works. I've logged in already, but if you haven't, you'll need to go ahead and do that. You can simply go to the marketplace. We have a variety of properties with this feature enabled already. So let's say I want to purchase, let's see, which one should we use as an example? Let's just say I want to invest in this piece of land. It's in upstate New York. Obviously, I hope you guys do a lot more due diligence than I'm doing right now. You can check out the documents tab for all the available information, financials, as well as details about this listing. But let's just assume I did my research and I'm okay and I want to invest in this property. So I'm just going to click the buy button and I am going to purchase one token. I'm not going to use any of my rental balance for this purchase. I'm going to preview the order. Now I'm going to submit the order. There we go, the order completed, and that's it. I just now invested in this piece of land. And if I go over to my account, I will be able to see it. And here we go. Here's this piece of land. And then I need to click and sign the ownership agreement. And once I do that, I am now fully a legal owner in this property and I have full management rights and control as well. So it's really that simple. Okay, and now, as crazy as it sounds, let's say I change my mind and I decide I want to sell this property that I literally just purchased seconds ago. Well, I can go ahead and do that. Same thing, I bought one token, I'm now going to sell one token. And boom, that's it. That it really is that simple. I just bought and sold a real estate property, had full legal and ownership rights for the span of 5 seconds, and now I'm no longer an owner. So really, we've made real estate purchase and sales incredibly quick, incredibly easy. Now, for the next feature, it's staking. So you can lend out your assets, and we can access it from the top of the portal. And this is the staking UI. And let's just say, it's ranked by how much yield the USDC side is paying out. The highest yield gets surfaced to the top, lowest yield goes to the bottom. But as people are making trades, the yields are adjusting for each of these pools. So often, what is in current top position might not be there consistently over time. But let's just say, I'm a fan of this pool and I want to participate in it. I currently don't have any real estate assets. I don't own this property, but I do have some USDC balance. So let's say I want to stake 50 USDC. It's click preview deposit, confirm. And that's it. It says success transaction was accepted. I've just staked this property. And now as people are trading, buying and selling this particular property, I will be earning yield in my account, which I can view here in the account dashboard for staking. So let's go back to home. Now let's say, I just staked some property so you can see which pools you currently have tokens staked in. But let's say I want to unstake now. Again, a very simple and straightforward process. Withdraw. There we go. It just went through successfully. It's that simple. I just unstaked. So that is basically the new feature suite. We really hope you guys enjoy it as much as we enjoy building it. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support page. We're always happy to help. Thank you so much, Product Hunt, and we're really excited to share this with you all again.